You can see the move. Look at the Euro CAD, it's up 70 pips. You can see the move. Look at the Euro Aussie, it's up 76 pips. You can see the move, and it closed near, pretty much near the high of the day. And look, most telling is the Euro Pound. That's the power of the radar screen. It actually tells us a story of what is going on. That's why I gave you the narrative at the beginning of the session, discussing the events with the euro and what's happening with Cyprus and selling the gold and all that kind of stuff. And yet, look at what's happening on the intraday in the euro. That is the euro dollar. You can see the euro pound, for example, is actually quite magnificent. I mean, the move in the pound, in the euro pound, is actually quite extensive and powerful. Look at this. So there seems to be something I mean, the reaction, we're having bad news and good action that is taking place in the euro. And of course, the only one that the euro sold off against was the yen. And if you look at the radar screen with regards to the euro yen, it is one of the smallest sell-offs. The euro yen is 52 pips. The Swiss yen, which is very positively correlated with the euro yen, so the euro yen and the Swiss yen pretty much closely correlated to each other. This is 52 pips, the other one is 36, while the pound yen 153 pips. I mean, the pound yen has moved 3 times as much to the downside than the euro yen, and that shows you how weak the pound is. And that's why that would be the one that we will be looking at shorting it. So going back to the euro dollar, for some reason all my lines on the euro dollar has gone. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Wow, without the structure points, I'm getting. So with that, we can see that we closed. And if you look at the chart, look at the structure of the daily bars. This is a pretty strong buy. I mean, thanks, Ahmed. Look at this here. I want you to look at this. Yes, we are inside. Yes, we are. We had a sell-off. We came back. Oops. When did I do that? Just yes, we sold off, but look at this, coming above the previous daily low, above the 2 daily low, and look at the close, 131.08. Look at the 3 daily high is 131.02. So with that, we have given, it has given us 3 strong buy signals, and the next structure point is the 131.45. So there is a very good chance that this thing is going to continue higher. Now we want to be buyers of the euro dollar, and let's find an entry for us. There is the entry right there, which is the 2 daily high, which is the 131.21. That's going to be our buy. Our structural long point is the 131.45, and if I buy it at 21, it's easy to put our stop here at 131.02. That's I love it when you have a daily high followed by a lower one, so you can take one as an entry and the other one as an exit. On the short side, this is the $64,000 question. Where the hell do we short this one? Honestly speaking, this is where I'm going to short it. And look at the technicals of this chart. I mean, the technicals are profound. It came down from the previous session to the 2 daily low, the 1 daily low, all of them congregating right there, and it stopped. So assuming whatever happens tomorrow, so for the guys that are taking this radar screen for the week, my suggestion is to short it below the 130.03. That's going to be our short, below the 130.03. And the structural short point is the 103. What's that? Something wrong here. $130. Oh, it's 130.37. Oh, my mistake. Dyslexia in action. Just a zero, one extra zero. Yeah, exactly. It's just what's the zero between friends? Okay, and the next structure point is 130.008. All right, and our stop, if I go short below 130.37, I'm going to put my stop at 130, above the 2 daily low, which 130.52. Okay, so we're buying the euro dollar above 131.21. The next structure point is 131.45, and our stop is going to be 131.02. On the short side, we're going to go below 30.37. Our structure short point is 130.08, and our stop is going to be the 130.52. Right? That is the euro dollar. Let me save that.